The topic of safety is always important in any process where heat and electricity are involved. All arc welding processes emit harmful eye-damaging light radiation, and for this reason the operator must wear a welding mask or hood. For GMAW purposes, you should use a number 12 shaded lens in your mask. Never look directly at the arc without eye protection, as this will cause a painful condition called arc eye, which in severe cases will result in permanent blindness. If you are doing other work in the area where arc flash is present, then you should be wearing anti-flash goggles. Your workstation should be surrounded with suitable flash screens to protect other workers in the shop. To protect your skin from flash burn, you should wear clothing that will shade your skin, such as overalls, and, where necessary, a welder's apron, especially when welding out of position. Welder's gloves, made of chrome leather, should be worn to protect your hands from arc burn and from spatter burns. Where applicable, an extractor should be used to remove fumes that could, in some cases, be toxic. Your welding area should be well ventilated, as the shielding gases settling around you can result in an oxygen-deficient atmosphere. Naturally, all standard workshop and regulatory safety procedures must be adhered to when operating welding equipment. The skills involved in using GMAW are not difficult to learn, provided that you're able to set up your equipment correctly and you're able to work safely. In the following programs, you will learn more about GMAW equipment and welding procedures.